Hello everyone, today I wanted to share with you just a quick little haul. I had to pick my daughter up from school. She called me and let me know that her bracket or something with her braces fell off, so I ran her into the orthodontist, and afterwards we stopped to get her something to eat and just happened to go into Walmart. So I thought, okay, that would be a great place to pick up some mustard seeds. Doing candy and everything like that, I ran out of mustard seeds. But we went in and I found quite a few things, so I thought I would share them with you. So the first item I picked up is makeup wipes. I am not brand loyal to any certain type of makeup wipe. These ones here are the Equate brand and they are nighttime soothing. So I don't know, I've never tried these ones. I just thought I'd give it a go, and there is 2 packages in there, so I thought it would last me quite a while. And this item here we both kind of use. I picked up this huge Equate makeup wedges, and this is a 100 count. I figured she could have 50 and then I'll keep 50. I use mine for nail art, and she uses hers for sponging on canvases that we also picked up for her. And this pack of 100 makeup wedges was almost $4, so it was $3.88. So that's a pretty good deal for 100 makeup sponges, which will last me pretty much forever because I just usually use a side of the angle at a time, not the whole sponge. So this should last for quite a while for both of us. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about me. I suffer from severe migraine headaches and severe sinus headaches. Recently, I've been having major headaches. My doctor told me to use a warm pack on my sinuses that will help them drain. So I found this really cool mask that I thought this would be perfect to pop in the microwave, because it does say on here that it is warm up or be cool. So you're able to put this in the microwave or run it under hot water, and it'll be nice and warm so that it helps me drain my sinuses so I don't have a pounding headache. So can't wait to use that. Not that I want to. And then I also picked up, now I personally am okay with my daughter wearing mascara. Not makeup, but mascara. I think mascara brings out a lady's eyes. I think they look phenomenal just with that extra lift and fullness in their lashes. I think it's great. And I actually think my daughter's eyes look gorgeous when she wears mascara. So I did pick her up this Maybelline Lash Sensational, and this is in the waterproof. Now I told my daughter that there are some girls that I know that you see them and they either have sweat or whatever, but for some reason their mascara has run, and I hate that. Or if they rub their eyes, they get fallout underneath their eyes. So I encourage her, if she's going to wear mascara, to wear waterproof. So I picked her up another waterproof mascara. The next thing here, I didn't really need, but I decided to pick it up anyways. You can never have too many acrylic paints, in my opinion. So I got one of these 12-pack of apple barrel acrylic paint. And this, I believe, was $4 for this huge thing of paint. I always thought this was Pueen, but looking at the label here, it is P-U-E-E-N. Not sure how you say that, but I'm still just going to call it Pueen. Anyways, I got this little stamping kit, and this is a starter kit, so it comes with a stamper, a scraper. It looks like there is 2 stamping polishes, and then 1 plate that has a bunch of fun little designs on it. So that's pretty cool. Another item that I got from that Pueen, I don't know if that's how you say it, is their stamper and scraper. I just wanted to see how this compares to Bundle Monster or Born Pretty stampers. So I just thought that would be really cool to check out too. This item here is something that I have not used. I've wanted to, but I just haven't really found one. And I've been hearing a lot of good things about this particular brand. So again, from that same line, I picked up this mess-free latex tape. And I have never used latex for any nail art, but I think this will be really cool, and I just wanted to try it out. So now the next item here I am really excited about. I've been asking you guys for your opinions, suggestions, or any info that you might have for a storage container ideas for my gems and glitters and all that kind of stuff. I do appreciate your suggestions, and I have checked them all out. But as I was walking around and my daughter was looking for her paints and I was walking around, I happened to find this. This is 28 jar with lid plastic storage case. This is awesome. This is exactly what I've been looking for and exactly what some of you guys have suggested to me. So I'm really excited to get this thing working and filled. I'm so excited for this. Thank you very much, everyone, for all of your suggestions for storage options. Let me know, guys. I'm thinking about doing a video on how I'm going to organize my gems and glitters and stuff. Let me know in the comments if that would be a video you guys would be interested in seeing. I also am thinking about doing a video on the stamping stuff here that I got from the Pueen nail line here at Walmart. I think this is a great option for people, and it is available at Walmart, so that's awesome. So that is it for this little tiny haul from Walmart. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave any comments or suggestions below, and I will see you in the next one.